Okay, so I think there's a little bit of confusion on how to do the gears in Blender. Um, so I thought I'd show a little bit of this because if you have Blender 4.2, you go to help. Well, anyways, oh yeah, Blender 4.2, as opposed to, I think the video that I posted was Blender 4.1 or at least earlier than that. Things have changed a little bit in 4.2. So to get the gears option, which can Shift A, yeah, Shift A, and then Mesh, and then Gears to get these couple of gear options. You go to Edit and then Preferences, and the video previously just showed add-ons, but you have to go to the Get Extensions section to be able to get these. Also, then make sure in the repositories up here, you have check for updates on startup, and yeah, you need to make sure that this extensions.blender.org is selected. I think you might even, I think I had to hit the refresh button to get this to kind of refresh itself. You'll notice here mine are installed here, but if you once you have a big list of extensions or add-ons that are available, then you can search for extra, and then obviously install extra mesh objects. I've installed a couple other ones. I haven't played around with the grease pencil tools or the extra curve objects, but this extra mesh objects is the one you want to use, and then you'll just hit the install button, kind of like the end of this node group utilities. So if you hit install, then it pops up into the install section, and that's primarily what you need to do. And then you'd be able to go to add, mesh, and then gears. So I hope that's helpful with the new 4.2 Blender.